Welcome back, Kryptonians, to the Chart Experts continuing coverage of Bitcoin and the crypto charts. In this video, I thought let's go back to looking at charts just for the fun of it, really, because obviously I love doing this, and I quite often when I produce these videos, I'm trying to put a point across and so on, but in making those type of videos, I quite often forget that looking at charts is both entertaining, is both informative, and it's a pleasure, really, just to look at charts and just to muse with your thoughts, really, and to just see what's happening and why you're thinking the way you're thinking. So in this video, I thought let's do that. Let's not worry about let's not worry about anything. Just let's just have a look at why we're thinking the way that we are thinking right now, in terms of where we believe Bitcoin is headed. Now you may think that's not anything different to what we do normally, but I'm just having a look at the short-term price structure here in this video, and just collecting my thoughts, really. So join me if you dare. Okay, right. So let's start at the all-time high, as it was 69,000. Okay, so we've seen price sell off from that zone, and then it entered a range that could have been an accumulation range. So we have to label this as a failed accumulation, okay, because it didn't result in higher prices. Okay, now the word failed might seem a bit harsh, don't worry about it, but it's either a successful accumulation taking prices higher, or an accumulation to sell, for example. So actually, let's not say failed accumulation. Let's say sellers accumulation, because they did successfully take price lower. Okay, so then we had price being marked down, and then it entered this area here. Now this area is important because it's a discount on the previous, on the last impulse that we saw, that took price from 60,000 to 69,000. Now that in itself was a result of an accumulation, which was this accumulation here. Okay, so this is important as well, because what we believe we are seeing is a switch from buyers being in control, which was all of that box there, to what appears to be sellers in control. So sellers were accumulating here, and they sold the market down, and then we had the opportunity for these buyers to step in. Okay, so once again, what did we see? We saw another sellers accumulation. Okay, because the sellers won out and push price lower. Now we have to ask ourselves a question, really, right now. If these buyers that took price from 60 to 69,000 were not able to push price higher, that means that sellers are in control of this market right now. Okay, and what's happened to these buyers that push price higher, even when they were offered a significant discount, they did not push price higher. Right down to these limits here, we didn't see them being present. Okay, so if we stretch this across right now, we can see that these buyers that took price from, what was it, 58,000 to 69,000 seem to have left the building. Okay, now that's very significant, because if they're not here to take price higher and the sellers are accumulating and then pushing price lower, then there's really only one outcome that we can expect, really, and that is for Bitcoin to see lower prices. Now that again may not be what you want to hear, but that's what the price action is telling us currently. So if we go back to, for example, what was that, October 21st, so just over a month ago, really. Since that time, we're looking at the short-term price action, but over an extended period of time, and what we're seeing is that this is basically a large red engulfing candle. So if we were to look at this logically, what we're seeing right now is sellers taking control of this market. And that's what we're seeing, really. So that taking over from la di 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 da. Background was green. Okay, so in terms of candlesticks, if you like candlesticks, that's what we're looking at right now. So does that look bullish or bearish to you right now? Now that's not to say we can't have a big green candle come in and take out this red candle and prove everyone wrong, but we have to go with what the market is telling us right now. Now that's, we also have to look at the fact that, for example, right, so this period here, let's have a look. Can we get that? Okay, so date range, yeah, okay, right, so this period here took roughly, what is it, 18, 19, well, let's just say 18 days, okay? 18 days to push the market higher than the previous high of 67,000. It took 18 days. And to take the market lower, now let's just go from that point there, or, well, okay, let's maximize the red period as well. So let's say that it took 10 days to take the market lower, so roughly half the amount of time to take the market lower after spending 18 days to take the market higher. Now that again should be telling you something, and it should be telling you that the sellers took the market lower with less effort and in less time. Okay, so those are the types of things that we look at when we're analyzing the price action. Now, as you know, I can go on for a lot of time, really, when I'm looking at charts. I could point out many different things to you, but let's keep things simple for the moment. Let's see how this plays out, because, you know, if we do see, for example, a sudden surge upwards, and Bitcoin going higher, then all of this has been cancelled out. Wonderful. But right now, this looks to be the start of the sellers being in control of this market. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful to you. If it has, please give the video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe. Hey, this is Asim at the Chart Experts, wishing you every success. Take care of yourself and your crypto. Till next time. Bye bye.